This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining your acrylic binder and clear gloss medium. This is the structural base that gives 3D paint its volume and adhesion. Measure roughly equal parts to balance flexibility and hardness. Once mixed, add pigment slowly so you control opacity and color saturation. Use a spatula to fold in powdered pigment or heavy-body acrylic until uniform. Make sure to avoid trapped air pockets. This first mix sets the consistency, so aim for a thick, pipeable paste rather than a runny solution. Once you have a uniform color, thicken the blend to create sculptable body. Add a controlled amount of thickener or fine fillers to build texture and reduce sagging. Micro beads and silica increase volume without compromising translucency. Stir slowly to maintain homogeneity. You want a pasty consistency that holds peaks but can be extruded. Make a quick nozzle test on scrap. If it spreads, add more thickener. If it cracks, thin slightly with glossy medium. This stage determines how well your paint keeps three-dimensional shapes. To finish, apply your 3D acrylic paint by extrusion, palette knife, or piping bag. Ensure layers are no thicker than they can cure. Multiple thin passes cure more reliably than one massive layer. Allow at least 24 to 72 hours to cure, depending on thickness and humidity, then sand lightly and seal with clear varnish for UV resistance and sheen. If something goes wrong, diagnose quickly. If cured material is brittle, reincorporate more medium in a fresh batch. If it stays soft, add binder or dry filler to stiffen the mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.